Good day, everyone, and welcome to the part two, another video. Today, we're going to be looking at GPEP theory question for AI 2025. We're going to be looking at physical chemistry today. The question says the standard enthalpy change for the reaction between sodium hydroxide and carbon 4 oxide is minus 372.85 kilojoules per mole. The question asks us to write a balanced equation for the reaction, and we have to find the value of the standard entropy change for the reaction. We're given the values of the entropy changes for the reactants and the products. So quickly we go straight to solving that question. The question says we should write a balanced equation for the reaction. So the first thing we're going to do is write a balanced equation. We're told that sodium hydroxide reacts with carbon dioxide gas, and this produces sodium carbonate and water. So these are the products. But we can see from here that because sodium here has two atoms, here sodium has one, this equation is imbalanced. So to balance it, I have to put two beside the sodium on the reactant side. We have two sodium atoms on the reactant side, two on the product side. A total number of 4 oxygen on the reactant side. We have 3 plus 1, 4 oxygen on the product side. Hydrogen, 2 atoms on the reactant side, and we have 2 atoms on the product side. Carbon, we have 1 atom here. Carbon, we have 1 atom here. So what this means is that this is now a balanced equation. The next question says we should find the value of the standard entropy change for the reaction. So the formula for the standard entropy change for the reaction is given by the summation of the entropy of the product, standard entropy of the product, minus the summation of the standard entropy for the reactants. What does this mean? What this means is that I am going to add up the entropies of the products, and then I'm going to find the difference between the sum of the entropy of the reactants. So let's do that quickly. So what are the products? From here I have sodium carbonate and water. So what I'm going to do is I am going to write the entropy values for sodium carbonate. From here we're given that to be 139 plus, I'm summing up the products. Water was given to me as 69.94. This is for the product, and then we go over to the reactants to do the same thing. We sum up the reactant. But coming to the reactant, you can see from the balanced equation that sodium hydroxide here, we have 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. So I have 2 multiplied by, now the entropy value for sodium hydroxide from here is 86.82. And then we have carbon dioxide. You can see carbon dioxide here is 213.7. So I put 213.7 because we have just 1 mole of that. Now, using our calculators, if we sum this up together, this should give us 208.94. They are all positive, so I'm supposed to put a positive value beside. Minus, multiplying this, I'm going to have plus 173.64. Then I add 213.7. So further calculating, now I'm going to have plus 208.94 minus, adding these two together, I'm going to have plus 387.34. Then we use our calculators. We have plus 208.94 minus times plus gives us minus. So this would be plus this minus this. And that is going to give us negative 178.4. Don't forget the units, joules per mole per Kelvin. And this is the standard entropy change for this particular reaction. This is the end of the video. Join me as we go to the 4AII for this particular question. Thank you, everyone.